of not being well? Yes, I'm coming to that. The mind holds to it, and the body produces the symptoms. The body produces the symptoms, the changes are seen. Sometimes the doctor says, all the reports are normal, there is no problem, but still the person says, but I have stomach pain, or I have headache. मेरे को सर दर्द है, और इतना दुखता है कि I can't lie down, I'm so restless, and I feel I'm going to die, and there's a hammering and everything. And the doctor says, कुछ नहीं है, वो psychological है. We've heard, all of us have heard doctors saying that, psychological है. But then we tell the doctor, अरे तुम बोल रहे हो psychological, but I am suffering, or my family member, whoever he is suffering. The mind has such capacity, it can create and it can dissolve. It can do these extreme things. It can create illness. There has been so many examples. There was this example, which I quote very often, of a lady who had her blood test done and some investigations done, and it showed that she has blood cancer. And after that she became restless. उसको एक दिन नींद नहीं आई. Every time she would get up, she would just think of the cancer. Every time she would think of cancer. And then she started deteriorating in her health. उसका weight कम हो गया, she felt weak, she felt everything. And one fine day they came to know कि blood report change हो गया था. Okay, किसी और का report इधर हो गया था. I mean, we have heard these stories, and there are facts also. She didn't have this pathology of any changes in her blood. Unfortunately, due to whatever reason. So how the mind works. That is why when the doctor tells us, I'm feeling very ill, there is a pain in my left region, and मुझे बहुत ऐसे लग रहा है कि I'm going to have, मेरे को तो लग रहा है कि मेरे को अटैक आया ही है या आने वाला है, एंजाइना तो है ही. And I've got to meet a doctor. Says, कुछ नहीं है, भूल जाओ. And I have faith in that doctor. What happens when you enter the clinic, and what happens when you come out of the clinic? What happens when you enter the clinic? You are so anxious, you are so stressed, your palpitations, your heartbeat is 120 chal hi raha hai. And and then of course you have that background, oh, my father had this, and my brother had this, and then it runs in my family, and then I'm going to have it. But you enter the clinic, you have faith in the doctor. That's important. Having faith in the person is very important. Otherwise nothing works. If we have faith in our mind, and our mind is in a very chaotic state, it's going to rule us. So what happens when we enter the clinic and we come out of the clinic? Half my problem is gone. You must have seen, especially when you go to these therapists, when you go to these alternative therapists who work on the mind, like homeopaths or Ayurvedic doctors who do a lot of counseling, what happens? The patient enters the clinic very disturbed, very agitated. I mean, I have this experience. Every time a patient goes out, and I know this and I smile, because they say, आपसे बात करके आधा बीमारी ठीक हो गया. And I smile because I know. And आधा वो बाकी है वो भी ठीक हो जाएगा. And little bit of changes, the body is capable of healing itself. That doesn't mean please don't go to the doctor. That's not that. But I'm telling you, that is the miraculous human body. And what do we say? Because in these modern eras, इतनी नई नई बीमारियां आ गई है. I have patients telling me, डॉक्टर की कितनी नई नई बीमारियां आ गई है, पहले ये कुछ था ही नहीं. The more the investigations, more the this, the more the that. The modern era, it has its own beautiful advantage of advanced technology, advanced knowledge, advanced preventions, everything. Definitely, 100%. So, can we tap the inner healer? Can we tap this inner healer and start our own healing? Each cell, as we say, it's a functional unit. it is capable of healing itself. So what we can do is do a very small exercise. Then you can do it at home if you feel like practicing. See, for example, can we take a knee joint? Yeah, it's a common problem. Yeah, can we take a knee joint? So what we'll do, we'll just focus, just relax, and we take our, we focus our mind on the knee joint or the area where we're feeling the pain. Okay. Now this is subjective communication. You're talking to your own inner self. I'm not putting any labels. I'm not saying idhar kya hai, subconscious mind hai, soul hai, Ishwar hai, Bhagwan hai, Khuda hai. I'm not putting any of these labelings. Huh? You take your mind on your inner healer and you say, you have the capacity, you can say it in Hindi, English, any language. हर लाइलाज बीमारी का इलाज तुम्हारे अंदर है. You have the power to heal yourself. And you feel that area and you touch with your hand. Do you know what we do? Unknowingly, when anything is wrong, we use our hand. If we have a headache, don't we press? If we have hurt ourselves, don't we, touch and pat with our hand? The hands have the healing property. They have the nerve endings. It's very scientific. It is nothing make-believe. Our fingertips have the nerve endings. And they have the healing capacity, the healing power. Unknowingly we do this. When I'm hurt or when I'm in pain, I do press it with hand. Now I'll do it with awareness. I'll do it with conviction. I'll do it with full faith. People who are, or even normally who are having, say if you want the brain to function well, you say that, and you have to love yourself. How many of us really love ourselves? Love our body? You have to tell yourself, I love you. Yeah? How many of us can do that if we have not done till now? But you say, मेरा क्या, मैं तो मोटी, मैं तो काली, मैं तो नाटी, मैं तो ऐसी, मैं तो वैसी. Oh, I wish I was that beautiful. Oh, I wish I was that tall. Oh, I wish that was that slim. How many of us are ready, at least from today, to love ourselves? No one? Yeah? Good. Madam? Love ourselves as we are. My body is alive. It is breathing. That's good enough. That's a blessing. So we need to love ourselves. When we love ourselves, then the healing is faster. And the area we focus on, healing takes place by itself. So, with the hand, so suppose it's your knee joint, you tell yourself that you have the healing capacity, you have the healing power, and you are going to heal. You tell your hands you are going to heal this area. You tell this area that you are going to participate in this healing process and you are going to be healthy. After that, we have to say that the basic nature is love, joy and silence. प्रेम, आनंद और मौन हमारा स्वभाव है. So if we get into the basic nature, if we get back to the basic nature of love, joy and silence. Silence is that when you are quiet, not only verbally, but you are with your own self. The best healing takes place that time. You do that, and then you have to thank the organs who have participated. You have got to thank your hands, you've got to thank your knees, and you have got to thank your brain, the mind who was for some time quiet and it was in the present, it was here and not wandering here and there. Actually, whether you're taking medicine or you're not taking medicine, healing takes place at this inner level. When you are aware of it, the medicines will work faster. There have been examples of people who were highly diabetic. They became normal, they had high pressure. It helped because what happened? The mind which was chattering, which was disturbing, which was coming in the way of proper functioning has quietened down. You will follow the instructions, you will follow the guidance of your doctor, your whatever you've been asked to, your diet schedules or whatever it is, you are going to do all that. But slowly and slowly you will find you're more energized, you're more healthy, and you will feel that your body is ready to cooperate or to work with you the way you want. Sometimes we want to do a lot, but what we feel is, because of the limitations of my body or my health, I am not able to do a lot of things. If you practice this, talking to yourself, this is called subjective communication. I have a full thing written down. Maybe I can, some other time I can pass it on. I can leave it here or you all can take it. But this is how it works. Any questions you have on this? Of course, it was a very rapid, thing we did. I just explained the things to you. Could you all follow what I said? Yeah. Yeah, it's not. इतना आसान होता तो प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं होता. Yeah. Yes.